Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A32 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll. Maybe let me change the brightness so it will be more visible. Alright, so right here we have to scroll to find the display. Now let's tap on the wallpaper. And as you can see here, we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose. We can also tap on the gallery and we will be basically transferred to our own files, and we will be able to set our photo as a wallpaper. So all we have to do right now is to tap on the option we'd like to use, and if you like it, simply tap on Set As. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.